Hi, my name is Mark Palmquist, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Oliver table leg. It consists of three parts: the leg, which has a round tenon with a slit, which I cut on the bandsaw, mounting block, which will be screwed to the bottom of the table, and a wedge. First, you apply the glue to the inside of the mortise. Then you apply the glue lightly to the tenon, and then you put a little bit of glue on the wedge, and then you put them together. It's very important that the wedge is perpendicular to the grain of this part. It'll look like that, and then it's real simple. You just pound it in